by your side. If you listen me calling before I wake, I'll make it through the night. There is the love we have. We should cherish the life we live. Cherish the love, cherish the life, cherish the love. Cherish the love we have. For as long as we will cherish. Cherish the love, cherish the love, cherish the love.
Ito, okay. Nakakapa. Ayan o, ano ba ito?
Yung Venice ka na. Sa Venice na. Saan kaya po? Ayan o. Tulay. San Francisco. Sa Manito Bridge.
Shout out, David! David Islands Life and Adventures. Nagawa shout out.
Trying to sing songs for the first time on her own. First time for open. Cherish the love we have. We should cherish the life we live. Cherish the love, cherish the life, cherish the love. So let's cherish, let's cherish. Okay. Hand in hand. Let's cherish the love, cherish the life, cherish the love. Ooh,
Oops.
the world is always changing, nothing stays the same. The global standard tends to time. The next life that we live in remains to be seen. Will you be by my side?
Tama ba ito ako?
You'll fly on the rain before I lay down by your side. If you listen, you're calling before I awake. Till I make it through the night. Cherish the love we have. We should cherish the life we live. Cherish the love, cherish the life, cherish the love. It's the love that's cherish the love. Let's cherish the love.
So,
Hand in hand. Cherish the life, cherish the love.
thank you, hey Beth Houses. Thank you, David. Hi. How are you, by the way? How's the tour? And thank you for dropping by.
Cherish the love, cherish the love,
Cherish the love.
cherish,
Cherish.
cherish the love we have. We should cherish the life we live. Cherish the love, cherish the life, cherish the love.
Yeah, let's cherish the love and the life that we have. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Whatever happens. Because life is too short.
Cherish the love, cherish the life, cherish the love. The love, cherish the love. Let's cherish the love.
Yeah, we have together, hand in hand.
Hand in hand, you and I.
Maraming salamat. Yung cherish the love. Nakapa ako siya. Uy, nakachamba 100 daw. A spectacular singer. Oops, cherish ni Madonna. Hindi ko sa alam yata talaga.